Experience family togetherness like never before with this 2019 Arctic Wolf 255 DRL4 fifth wheel. Visit Lakeshore RV Center to bring this model home. This 30-foot, 4-inch long fifth wheel has enhanced fiberglass high-gloss sidewalls and a gel-coated fiberglass front cap. There's a solar prep and wiring, as well as an outside shower with hot and cold water. The outdoor kitchen features a sink and a refrigerator. The 15K air conditioner and 35K BTU furnace maintain a stable temperature inside the living area. The kitchen features a microwave, double-door refrigerator, a 3-burner range cooktop, and a large sink with a pull-out faucet. There's a pantry and an entertainment center with Bluetooth-controlled stereo. The living area's furniture includes a trifold sleeper sofa and a dinette. Step into the master bathroom and you'll find a sink, mirrored medicine cabinet, foot flush toilet, and a radius shower with a skylight. A queen-size bed with a comfort power mattress lift system is found inside the master bedroom, as well as wardrobes and nightstands. Shop online at lakeshore-rv.com with virtual tours, videos, and photo galleries. You're sure to find your perfect RV at the lowest price, guaranteed. Want a more personal touch? Call us at 231-760-8805, where our friendly and knowledgeable staff will help you get an amazing deal on the RV of your dreams.